Hi everyone, we all want our children to have future filled with opportunities and success, which is why we always ensure they receive the best education possible. Education is definitely the compass that guides us towards our dreams.
And at Sharda World School, that compass points towards a future filled with promise and possibilities through holistic education integrated with 5 elements of nature. What truly sets Sharda World School apart is its commitment to engaging students through innovative classroom activities that not only educate but also inspire. Whether it's through hands-on science experiments, interactive debates, or creative arts projects, the school seeks to make learning exciting. One can't help but be impressed by its state-of-art infrastructure, from modern classrooms to well-equipped science and computer labs, mini golf course and indoor swimming pool. Safety is a big deal here. From strict entry protocols to CCTV surveillance throughout the campus, they make sure everyone feels safe and happy. Another great thing about the school is that it offers scholarship programs for the deserving students so that they can pursue their academic dreams regardless of their financial background. Every aspect of this campus has been designed to foster a conducive learning environment. What's more, Sharda World School is North India's first school to offer integrated CBSE, Cambridge and Finland curriculum in confluence with the 5 elements of nature.
You want a school that truly offers holistic education for 360-degree transformation of your child? Then Sharda World School is the right address.